Okay, let's open our XLX Working 4 workbook and right click on any toolbar and select Visual Basic. And then click on the Record Macro button. And let's type Increase Sales as the macro name. And then we can click OK. And let's select cell B6 and we want to type in 65 million in there and press enter, and then click the stop recording button. Now click in B6 and type 60 million and press enter. And then click the Run Macro button. Increase Sales is selected for us, so let's just click the Run button. Now select B6 again and type in 63 million and press enter, and click the Run Macro button. And this time we'll click Step Into. And now let's press the F8 key and F8 again, and let's click the View Microsoft Excel button to see what's happened. And then let's click the Visual Basic Editor button on the toolbar and press F8 again, and then we'll click the View Microsoft Excel button again to see the result of that last program line being executed. And then let's go back to the Visual Basic Editor and press F8, and let's go back and see what happened, and back to Visual Basic and F8 again. And now we can go to the File menu and close and return to Microsoft Excel. Now click the Run Macro button and let's click on Edit. And let's select the words ActiveCell.Formula R1C1 and click the Copy button, and then select the 65 million, including the inverts, and type plus 1 million, or after clicking the paste button, type plus 1 million, and then press the down arrow key, and now click the View Microsoft Excel button and click Run Macro. And now our macro is selected, so let's just click Run. And now click the Run Macro button and click the Edit button and select the words range with B6 in inverts.select and hit the delete key, and then select the range B6.select and hit the delete key, and now click the View Microsoft Excel button after doing that. And let's select B10 and let's click Run Macro and run it, and we see it now works on that cell as well. So now click the Run Macro button and click Options. Now select the shortcut key box and hold the Shift key down and press I, and that will assign Control Shift I. And now click Cancel, and now select cell B10 and press Control Shift I. and let's save that.